Hello, welcome back to another Eliza Builder Dev session. Today, we're going to have another agent team show you a little bit around what they've been up to and introduce their agent project. With us today is xNomad.ai. They enable ownable, autonomous AI NFTs that give agents persistent identities. Frank is going to be talking through the project. It's great to have you here with us. I guess just before we get into things, just how did you get into the space? What led you to starting xNomad?
Thank you so much, Ben. Thank you for the introduction. Hi, everyone. My name is Frank. I'm the DevRel from xNomad.ai. And before that, I was a developer in another very interesting Web3 project called RSS3. Back in that time, we were building some open source decentralized network. But right now, like xNomad, we are building some very exciting things about tokenization of AGI. And we make everything open source because we do want to give the global access to people in building like cool Web3 agents. And right now, like I can, just dive into the presentation and show you
Yeah,
what we have in xNomad.
perfect. Feel free to take it away, Frank.
All right, thank you. So we are xNomad. So right now, we are working on tokenizing the AI agents for Web3. And also, we want to tokenize the future of AGI. Let's talk about the problems we have nowadays. So right now, there's no true ownership of AI agents, and sometimes it's pretty hard to measure the value of agents. Like how do you know if an agent is profitable or is valuable? And third, and the most important part is there's no AI agent that is capable of managing your crypto assets. And that's why sometimes like it is so hard to let the agents to do some automated trading tasks for you. So xNomad turns AI agent into AI NFT. So now they are transferable, ownable, and verifiable. Users can create and deploy an NFT using our open source toolkit. And let's talk about the agent intelligence. So all xNomad agents can perform automated tasks, both on-chain and off-chain, from trading to engage on social media platforms. And over time, they will get smarter because we are moving toward a real trading automation of those agents with our community effort. And security is very important because that is the major issues that cause agents not securely control your assets. Each agents have elizaOS agent runtime, but their agent wallet are stored inside a trusted execution environment, TEE. Agents are also a part of an economic layer. They can launch their own token and even earn trading fees through the xNomad DEX integration, which I'm about to show you in the upcoming live demo. So let's talk about what xNomad agents can do today. So right now, they can help you perform some on-chain tasks, like some trading tasks like set limit orders or just do some copy trades. And also, they can issue agent tokens on their behalf and give you some profit. And if you want to figure out like what token to buy, the agent is also the right one to ask. They can provide some analytic insights with integrated data source. And also, you can claim your airdrop through that you are eligible for by using our agents. Like how do we make this work with elizaOS? So we made some improvement on elizaOS repository for a better Web3 trading experience. We optimize the execution logic. We customize the agent router to let the agent better interpret your prompts and route to different plugin tools and execute different tasks. And over time, we just continuously upgrading the router and get the agent have better planning in order to increase the interpretation accuracy. We also help users to form better prompts or to make the agent better help you to do some on-chain trading. Some of you may be wondering, like, where can you create or just can you use the xNomad agents? We have made it very simple for you. So xNomad Phone is an AI terminal for xNomad agents. You can create, manage, and just use your agents by using your natural language. Right now, we support Solana, and we are nearly to the end of the BNB chain integration. We'll release it by the end of this month. And over time, we will integrate more like major EVM compatible chains. like base and etc. Those kind of things. And also, like it is very important to enable the trading of agents. So we are also building the AI NFT marketplace and launchpad, so people can freely trade their agents on xNomad phone. So this flowchart illustrates how the xNomad phone works. It includes all major components in our planning for xNomad agent. So when you first create an agent, so we get the agent wallet stored in a TEE environment and ANFT metadata on-chain. The agent runs inside an optimized elizaOS runtime while its wallet is in the TEE. The agent will use a Web3 native LLM model with enhanced RAG connected to an updated knowledge base for up-to-date relevance. From there, it can execute trading, social tasks, airdrops, and more cool functionalities, all verifiable and autonomous. So we are extending the functionalities of elizaOS frameworks by using the provided plugins and the third-party tools. We want to make the agent really capable of doing some automated on-chain tasks and other specialized crypto tasks. So let's talk about our vision. So our long-term vision is very simple. It's just the AGI for the people. We want people to easily create agents that you can own, direct, and benefit from in the Web3 world. They has to be secure, autonomous, and composable. We believe that as the xNomad agent network grows, we will see a multi-agent economy emerge. So where agents can freely collaborate, earning, and evolving together. And we as a whole will be better off by the xNomad ecosystem. I like to give you a demo about what you can do at xNomad Fund, like how you can create and just interact with your agents. All right, so here is xNomad Fund. This is the xNomad AI terminal. You can do everything about xNomad agents right here. If I just want to quickly just introduce different components on the landing page. So Swarm is just the section for AI collection. xNomad Genesis is the first major AI collection that we have, which caused a hype back in the time. And also right here, you can see the agent token launchpad. Just like I introduced earlier, so every agent can issue and bind to an agent token. So all users on the platform can engage with the agent token to benefit the agent. So right now you can see the new agent token and the ANFT that is binding to the token. And right now, UGC agents section is just the agents created by the community members. They are very creative, by the way. So if you're the first time user, I strongly recommend you to create your agent. By clicking the button, you can select simple mode and advanced mode, and you can input the information and yeah, just have the description of what your agent is about, like what it can do, what is unique characteristics. Okay, just due to the shortage of time, I would like to show you like what I can do with my agents. First, connect it to my wallet. In my profile, I can see two of my AI agents. So I use this one. As you can see right here, so this shows my agent has already binded to an issue token, like it already issued a token. In here, you can see the like the token I have. Sure. So on the left side, on the left side of the agent window, you can see the portfolio where it includes the details of the agent wallet, shows the values of all assets inside the wallet. Have those assets, and also you can see the NFT information, which is right here. Capture files. Cool. If you're the first time user, you may be wondering like how to interact with your agents to have some like on-chain experience. So first, you can use the analyze this feature to find a token that's worthy to buy. Right here, you can see there are many different things. Like by checking the market value, let's find a interesting one. This looks not bad. Let's know more details of it. Right now, it shows the execution steps of your agent. We expect to see some fetched information from X, such as some recent X news about this token. Also, we want to see the X profile. We want to make sure this one is legit. So here is some like token information. Well, we also see the keyline chart. Nice. See the X news. All right, so here are the recommended tweets for 20 recent ones. So we had ideas of his influence on X. Oh, so we did not catch the X profile, but no worries. But right now, if I already made mine to want to buy it, I can use the limit order, this feature. By the way, you can also use the natural language to write your prompts, and the agents will interpret your prompts to make the right tool. But just this time, I just decided to show you like in this straightforward way. It saves more time. So right now, if I want to find a token, probably this one, the one we just analyzed, we can choose the amount. Let's set the trigger case. I'm just gonna draw down a random number to give you an idea of like what the agent execution procedure looks like. So right now it's still takes some time to work. But meanwhile, we can take this time to quickly introduce this tab. It shows the information of my agent token, like the agent token binding to my NFT agent right here. And people can also engage with your token through this interface, this terminal right here.
Nice.
All right. Thanks.
So, Frank, yeah, I've got a question, I guess. So,
Yeah.
firstly, I noted on your roadmap that democratizing AI access is the next phase.
Yeah.
Could you share any more on that? And if you're ready to, of course, maybe share your approach or how you're thinking of doing this?
Definitely. Yeah. That's a good question. So right now, again, like we made everything open source. So right now, the terminal you're saying, the xNomad phone is open sourced. And the infrastructure underneath is also open sourced. We call it like a core service on like our GitHub organization. So back to the question, like how can we promote to the democratization of the AI agents, right? What we're gonna do is we'll just provide the open source toolkits to let people make their xNomad phone. And also they can create the xNomad NFT agents. They can do some other tasks different from like the Web3 specific tasks. You don't have to do some on-chain trading. They can also focus on specific Web2 cases, like Web2 finance or Web2 like lo- web like there are just so many cases just now in Web3. So they can create their xNomad phone, and we have like special protocol to connect the underlying core service together. So hopefully you can get to use their agents through this xNomad phone. I mean, they
Interesting.
can also have some other terminal called, for example, xNomad 1 phone or xNomad 2 phone. And
Okay.
each of them can focus on different tasks. But through this terminal, we can get access to all xNomad agents, and they are all NFTs. So we can freely treat them, we can freely use them. That's the way we see.
Interesting.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I look forward to seeing that kind of come to life. That's quite an interesting plan. And I guess as a protocol or maybe even a network, yeah, it's probably quite a good use of the tech, let's say. But
Yeah.
Frank, yeah, I think just a final question here. Is
Yeah.
there anything that you'd like the audience watching to do? I know you noticed some things on your slides. Yeah, what would you like the listener, the viewer to do following watching the clip?
What I expect them to do. If they're not familiar with xNomad or xNomad agents, I definitely suggest them to come to xNomad phone and try to create their agents and trying to see their agents in their wallet. It just made them feel special. And also, they can see how the agent has been turned, how the NFT can be turned to a very powerful Web3 agents. They can use their agents to do some trading on here or just on xNomad phone. That is
Yeah.
something I expect them to just suggest them to try, because right now I don't see another like product that can do such things and have the agents just sit as an NFT in their wallet. So the concept is pretty cool. I hope maybe some people feel the same way.
Yeah. No, yeah. Let's see. Frank, thank
Yeah,
you so much for demoing, and thank you so much for building on elizaOS. It's great to have builders like yourself in the ecosystem and community. I look forward to seeing what's next. Keep in touch.
thank you so much.
Thanks, Frank.